Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be making Guyanese cassava pone. Guys, this is an amazing Guyanese dessert. It is so simple and so easy to make, and I trust you guys try this recipe and I hope you enjoy it. So without further ado, let's jump right into this video. So these are the ingredients we will be using for this cassava pone, and they will be in the description box along with the measurements. So this is the cassava known as yuca. Here I'm cutting it into pieces so I can go ahead and peel that. So the center, there is a string there that we'll have to remove. So first what we will do is peel the skin. Like, you can use a little paring knife. It works magic. Alright. Looks great. And then we'll slice the cassava in half and remove the string. Like, we do not want to have that in the mixture. So we'll slice that. It was giving me a bit of tough time here, and then we'll remove the center. Please remove that. It is kind of husky and we don't want that in the cassava pone. Then we will wash, and I'm using a food processor, and here I will grate the yuca or the cassava just like that, and I will show you what the consistency looks like. Just like that. Amazing. So with that cassava I got about 3 cups. Then I'm adding some brown sugar, and I'll go in and mix this well. Right, make sure the sugar and the yuca is well combined. Looks amazing. Then I added some grated coconut. Now you can also use the ones in the pack, and I'll leave the measurement for that also in the description box. Then I go in with some good vanilla extract, some ground cinnamon, some ground ginger, some nutmeg, and black pepper. Very important ingredient for this recipe. Alright, so I'll go in and mix all the ingredients together. Then I add a little bit of condensed milk. Now this is optional, and a little bit of the carnation milk, and I'll mix that together. You can just use the sugar, that is just fine. I did grate some fresh ginger there, and I added that to the mixture, and about 3 tablespoons of melted butter, and that is melted salted butter. Alright, you want the mixture nice and soft but not too runny. So I go ahead and butter a 2 Pyrex dish, and I'll pour that out. I mean, if you want it thick, you can also do that, but I don't like my pone too thick. So I have 2 Pyrex dish, and then I use the back of the fork and give the top a little design there, just like that. Then while that is baking in the oven for 45 minutes, I diluted some sugar. Here I'm making a sling. You can add a little bit of vanilla, not too much, and then you remove from the oven and brush that right over the hot pone, just like that, and then you put it back in the oven for an additional 10 minutes, and this is what it looks like. Now we will let this sit and allow this to cool before we go ahead and cut. All right, looks absolutely amazing. awesome, guys. This is what it looks like. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thank you guys so much for spending the time with me. Do not forget to subscribe. See you on the next one.